Hello everyone. Finally, nakarating naman ako dito sa SM Supermarket. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-grocery dahil nga sa COVID. Pero ngayon medyo maluwag na. We've seen the cases go down. So, malakas na yung loob ko mag-grocery, which I so miss doing. May kasama ako kasi mamimili kami. Magluluto ako para sa aking team dun sa office. And of course, mauna tayo dito. Kung saan may discount. Oh, look at that. May price off sa ating super month for entire month, naka-discounted prices. Yung mga nandito na area. Kaya, let's go shopping. Come on! Of course, kailangan natin ng suka at saka mantika. Back to safety protocols. Oh, buy one, take one apples. So we'll make a dessert as well. And for my pasta, I'm doing like a Caesar salad. My bacon. Oh! Buy one, take one, no? Perfect, diba? So we have our 1 kilo caldereta cut, then my free 500 grams. So, eto, damihan mo na, kuya. Perfect for caldereta. Ito, ribs ba to? Dagdagan mo pa, kuya, kasi marami kami. So, if you buy your caldereta cut here, ribs to, masarap to, very malasa. When you make your caldereta, it's important na may konting taba and may bone for all that flavor. Ito, pag bumili ka ng 1 kilo, may libreng 500 grams. Oh, di ba? So, para kang hirap mag-compute. Very nice basket of groceries. Pero marami ding promos ngayon ang SM Supermarket with over 100 items on sale. And it's also on sale online. So you don't even have to come here. And the sale is on until the end of the month, October 31. Kaya shop na tayo and magluto tayo ng masarap sa bahay. Shopping gives me so much joy. And ito, aking mga bundles of joy. And I'm ready to cook at the Simpol Kitchen para sa aking team. Kaya, let's go cooking!
Simpol, luto na,
So, I'm preparing my favorite caldereta recipe. And I've already marinated my beef. Ito yung beef na binili natin kanina in soy sauce and calamansi. Huwag mo talagang kalimutan i-marinate ahead of time. Ito, I'm just preparing my garlic. Mas maraming bawang, mas better kasi malapit na Halloween, lalabas na yung mga espiritu. Sa bawang, yung mga aswang. To saute, I will use my regular vegetable oil. So we want to saute our garlic and our onions. I'm using liver spread, pero isosaute ko din siya. Bakit? Sometimes kasi may parang bitter and malansa siya na aftertaste. So, by sauteing it, ganyan, medyo natatanggal ko yung flavor na yun. Saute natin. So, hindi ko na naamoy yung very liver spread aroma. Medyo nababawasan na siya. And I will add my beef. Di ko na isi-sear kasi I want it to be quite simple. I will add my beef stock. Yan. And I will add my tomato. So ito, I'm using canned tomatoes. Ito, pag kalderetang sosyal, ito yung gamit ko, tomatoes talaga. Yan. Let that simmer. I forgot, meron akong chorizo de BILBAO. And I'll just put it there. And let that cook for 45 minutes. So, sabi mo 1 hour, 45 minutes lang muna because I will add the other ingredients towards the end. We will just add a little bit of salt just to bring out the flavor, no? A little bit. And later on, we will finish everything by balancing it with final seasoning. And I will prepare my red bell peppers. So we will add half for flavor, but we will also leave some for our garnish. I have cheese. Yung cheese ko, yung kalahati, I will dice it up and add it to my sauce para may richness siya. I have pickles here. Whole pickles I will slice. Very nice. And I'm using cooking cream. I will add my calamansi juice or lemon juice to my cream to make sour cream. So ito yung magiging pang-finish ko sa aking dish. And we will just wait for our beef to cook until almost fully tender, and we will add the other ingredients, and we will be done with our special creamy and cheesy beef caldereta. So we cooked our caldereta, our beef, for around 50 minutes already now. And ito siya, it's already tender. Yan, look at that ha. Lambot niya. And look at that, no, our sauce is very nice color. Pero kulang pa siya sa lapot, so how will we make it thicker? We will add our cheese. Yan, we will let it melt. I will add my sour cream. No? So I made my own sour cream by adding calamansi to my cooking cream. But you can just buy sour cream. It will be very rich. Ang ganda ng kulay nito. I will add half of my red bell peppers. Let that simmer until it thickens. Yung cheese na natira, I will chill it para later when I grate it. Madali siya i-grate. It will not melt in my fingers. I will add dried oregano, freshly cracked black pepper, and alam mo, sa akin, masarap lang yung caldereta pag medyo spicy and a little bit of chili flakes. We will just let that simmer for a few more minutes until the sauce becomes very rich and the beef falls off the bone and the sauce is going to be so delicious when all the flavors come together. So we will wait for that and we will plate it after. So I also have my carrots, which I pre-fried earlier. I just put half as well. And half of my potatoes na pre-fried na rin. Around a teaspoon of sugar. And I will add a little bit of soy sauce. Ito, to balance, patapos na. Yan. Ang sarap-sarap. And that is done. Natin. Ang sarap. Grabe. And all this, nabili natin, of course, from SM Supermarket. And we are ready to plate. So, thank you very much, SM Market. Pwede sa stores sila, or you can order online because it is Super Month this month and there are a lot of discounts available to you. Add more cheese on top and finish with a bit of black pepper. And here it is, our cheesy beef caldereta. Simpol!